The indirect function returns the value of a cell address that is referenced.
So here we've got indirect C1, which is saying indirect and then the value of A2. And that's going to bring us back the value that's in cell A2, which we know is 20. So we've got indirect C1 is going to bring us back 20 because we're finding the value that's in cell A2, which is 20. Now, another way to use this is if this cell just had a 2 in it, and we entered something like this. Indirect, give me A and 2. So that's also going to bring me back the cell contents of cell A2. We're just showing Excel that this is text by putting quotation marks around it, and we're combining them together using this ampersand. So this is going to, it's the same as just saying A2, and it's going to bring us back that 20. Now this is useful when you've got a variable here that may change and you want to go down this list depending on what this number does. So if this was a 3, now that will return to us a whatever's in cell A3, which is 30.